Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about date in JavaScript. JavaScript provides date object to handle date and time. With new date, we can get current date and time. Let's see it. This is the current date and time. If you wanna take one part of the date, you can get it with get, like this. Console.log x.get full year. With get full year, you can get the year. Let's copy this and paste it. I want to change get full year into get month. With get month, you can get the current month. Now change this get full year into get date. With get date, you can get the current day of the month. With get hours, you can get the hours of current date. With get minutes, you can get the minutes. With get second, you can get the second. And if you want to change the format of current date, you can change it like this. Later format, I want to make another variable. Inside this variable, I want to store my format, my new format. X.full year, X.month, get month, yeah, X.get date. Now let's see the output. Console.log format. Now let's see. I forgot parentheses. Yeah, it works. This the year, this the current month, this the current day.